Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Face Shop Aura CC Cream, and I have actually bought this ages ago. This is my second kind of, I guess, bottle or package or tube, whatever you want to call it, and I'm so surprised that I haven't done a review on this before. I mean, this is something that I have been loving the whole of 2013 when I bought it at the Face Shop counter, and I've just been so amazed by how amazing it is. First of all, it comes in this kind of, I mean, originally you would think that this is a powder because it comes in kind of, I don't know, the packaging of a powder. And if you open it up, you'll see that it comes with, it looks just like this. So it's not a conventional CC cream bottle at all. This is what I use for the tutorial part of this video. So I'm actually going to take a bit of cotton and clear that up because that's kind of gross, but actually maybe I'll just use it to show you the texture. Anyway, what you do with this is actually you just press this button and more of the CC cream actually bubbles out from this little small hole at the top of the packaging. And if I take it for you, I can talk about its texture. So if you look at this, it's not certainly very thick or creamy, which is nice. It is the perfect CC cream consistency. I really love it, guys. I love it so much because it is such a good consistency. So I'm gonna put it at the back of my hand, and the reason why I love this so much is because it makes you superbly flawless and just, you know, gives you that finish that you can't get with normal CC creams, because some CC creams actually just make you look a bit greasy, or some make you look really matte, or some don't really do anything at all. But this CC cream gives you amazing coverage. So it is like a medium to full coverage. So what I do with it is, or how you apply it, is that there are different ways to apply it. So it's not always just use your fingers, pat it in like I taught you before when I was using the Rachel K CC cream. You can actually use a normal brush with this, like a synthetic paddle brush or a synthetic kabuki, and apply it the same way you apply a foundation. There are no problems like that. There's no streaking, no greasy looking kind of translucent veil. There's none of that. It looks really natural and just goes into the skin really smoothly. So for here, I'm actually just using my fingers to do it, and you can do it that way too if it saves time, or if you don't have any brushes because you're just starting out. And if you just look at this, it's like a veil of flawlessness. I mean, just on the back of my hand, you can already see it diffuses the light. It doesn't really completely match my skin tone, unfortunately, but it does kind of just make it look absolutely flawless. So texture wise, it is perfect. It's not too thick, not too creamy. It's perfectly done to glide onto the skin really smoothly and blend to the skin very fast. So it's not hard to blend at all. Coverage wise, you're looking at high coverage. Thankfully, I mean, seriously, CC creams have been coming out with a little more coverage than BB creams, which I'm thankful for because I get hormonal breakouts all the time, and so I really need something that actually helps me to cover my acne scarring and everything like that, and this one does the job beautifully. And usually I would use a liquid foundation to cover up everything, but now I can actually use the CC cream, which is great because CC cream, unlike normal foundations, have a lot of skincare benefits, like some pearl ingredient or this ingredient. This one in particular just brightens your complexion. I don't know where the box is, and I know that CC creams usually contain skincare benefits that foundations don't have. So that's pretty cool. So overall, I love this because it gives me a flawless finish. It's high coverage, so if you're looking for a high coverage CC cream, this is definitely the one. And it has a great texture. It's not too thick, and it blends into the skin really well. So I'm actually going to show you a little tutorial on me putting on the CC cream. You'll get to see a little bit of my hormonal breakout near my mouth, but thankfully the CC cream actually covers that right up, so that's a good demo for the coverage of the CC cream. And that is going to be right here. I'm going to press this, and the CC cream comes out just like that, and I'm going to use my fingers. You can use a brush. I like using a synthetic brush. It goes on just like a foundation, and that's really easy. Actually, I should show you, but I can like just put it onto my face just like this and just blend it in or pat it in however you really like. It's such a good formula that it doesn't need a specific method to do this. It's slightly lighter than my skin tone. I've been swimming lately, so I get a tan really easily.
My skin just transforms into this like glowing, amazing thing. The bottom and the top is not even equal. It's such a good formula. Like, it's so smooth and soft. It's not sticky. It's not anything that's wrong, actually. It's like perfect. And so fast. Like, look, I can just finish and there's no greasy foundation residue on my fingers at all. So as you can see, my pores are minimized, and it's just like so gone, like just perfect. It's just amazing. And it's a CC cream. It's not even a foundation. So that's like the most amazing part, I guess, is that it's so easy to use and it gives you this finish that I would need with like a brush. I mean, it's a bit lighter, so when I put powder and stuff, it's a bit darker. So yeah, I really like it.
Alright, so I really hope you liked this video. Overall, I would give this a 5 out of 5. I reach for this all the time, and it's because it's not like a liquid foundation. Sometimes liquid foundations, when I put them on, I feel like I'm putting makeup on, and I feel like I have makeup on. But for this Aura CC cream, I don't feel like I'm putting that much makeup on, but I'm still putting makeup on, so I don't know if you understand that concept. Anyway, so overall, it's just a really, really great product, and I just always reach for it every day. I'm just using the Aura CC cream, and it gives me such a nice, flawless complexion without making me feel like I'm wearing so much makeup, and I just love everything about it. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!